Hello, my name is Daniel and today you join me at the Volkswagen Birmingham Van Centre for a 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Crafter CR35. This Crafter comes in a 2.0 TDI engine pushing out to 140 PS in a beautiful factory customised paint in yellow green. Starting off with the front exterior features, this Crafter comes in a high roof in the same body colour, electric heated external mirrors for cold weather, as well as front parking sensors for that extra bit of safety. The wheels on this vehicle are 16-inch steel wheels, as well as coming with a full-sized steel spare wheel. Moving around to the back of the vehicle, the rear exterior features are including rear parking sensors as well as a rear view camera for that extra bit of safety when parking. Opening the back of the wing doors, you are greeted with a large loading area which also is covered with a wooden cover floor with fabric lining. Both rear wing doors can be opened simultaneously. You also have a rear door magnet that can open both wing doors at 270 degrees to make loading more easier. At the passenger side of the vehicle, you have a single sliding door to be able to access the loading area with ease. At the front of the vehicle, you have 3 passenger seats that are covered in Austin cloth upholstery, as well as the driver's seat having a 2-way lumbar support. You also have a 10.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system. This infotainment system is fully touchscreen and allows you to use the built-in navigation system, as well as listening to your favorite radio stations and connecting your devices to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. The driver is met with a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel that can be used to change through your music, answer calls, as well as use cruise control. That concludes the 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Crafter CR35. Thank you for watching and goodbye.